This is Atari's Super Pocket. It's made by Evercade. It has 50 Atari classic built-in games. Let's take a look at the box. Shows you some games, adventure here. Shows you some functions, IPS display, which is very good. 4 hours of play, which could be better. Here we can see the games list. Evercade cartridge compatible. It says over here you can use some cartridges and have over 500 games, which is amazing. Simple seal over here. Comes with a manual. Beautiful. Here are some instructions. Tells you about all the functions, all the buttons and everything. This is it. Nice and beautiful. We'll get back to it. Over here we get a cable. USB-A to USB-C. USB-A goes into charging, doesn't come with power adapter. You can use something like old phone charger or some classic charger, like this is from NES SNES Classic. Then you just charge it. Very nice display. We have 4 buttons over here, X, A, Y, B. Then we have menu button here. Atari edition. We have this a little bit hard to press. It might not let you be fast. Select and start. Some holes over here. Atari logo. These buttons are much easier to press than these ones. These ones is like a little bit tough. Okay. Turn on, turn off. Headphone input. Then we have R2, R1, L1, L2 buttons. This is volume, more or less. This is just a dummy. You can put some Super Evercade cartridge in here. Build quality looks fine. No squeaks, I press everywhere. Feels nice and solid. Buttons quality is fine. These are a little bit hard to press. You need some power, some strength. As well as these ones. These ones are better, I guess. I have charged it, so let's try it out. Blaze Entertainment. Woohoo! Hyper Mega Tech. English. Easy. Accept. You need to go down. Can I accept? No. You have to go down to accept. Oh yeah. And here we get the games. As I said, it's you need some power to go through, and it just goes. It registers how many times you clicked, and then it goes. Adventure. Let's see. Do we need to press start? Yes, we do. So we get this key, then we go down, then we go here, then we go there. You can totally play it, feels fine. Let's try to press this menu button. We can save in here, which is amazing. We have 4 slots for saving, which is again amazing. Then we can do like this. We can do some display and stuff, some settings, controls. What if we quit? It's nice that it tells you from where it is. So this one is from Lynx. This is Atari 2600. This is from Arcade. Let's try this dog game. It looks really nice, I must say. Each game has its own 4 slots. Can press back menu, we can press menu again, display. We have some different kind of modes for audio, for lines, for everything. I think original is fine. I tried to make max volume. It's loud enough, you don't need it louder than that. It's pretty good. You're probably gonna be better off somewhere in the middle, I guess. My conclusion, I like it. Looks nice, looks solid build, and good amount of games, and you can expand it, which is amazing. And any fan of Atari should get one of this for sure. This one is pretty good. If you're not Atari fan, if you're more of a NES guy or like SNES or something newer, this will just look old for you, and you're not gonna get it. But if you're like Gen X, if you're in your 40s, this will be amazing. Or if you know your husband likes it, buy it for your husband. Holidays are coming. Thank you very much for watching.